It's 3rd of October. That means this is the last day of me being in Maldives. So I think I have to make the most of it. Everything went all smoothly until today. And yeah, there's still a lot to do before I go. So hello guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I just took a dip in the pool, right? It's 7 o'clock in the morning here, and I thought due to the weather of here, which is kind of sunny all the time and it's kind of warm all the time, not gonna affect, but yeah, I'm feeling pretty cold right now. No, never mind that. Just look at this view. This is the infinity pool, okay? That's the beach that I usually put stories on my Instagram, because this side is facing my room, okay? I have a balcony right over there. The swimming pool is on the 9th floor of the hotel. And this hotel's name is Kaani Palm Beach. Story is done. Just look at this view. It's just beach. Beach. I don't even know what to tell about this. It's like if I take a good enough walk, it's not gonna happen. It's gonna be done. And yeah, I don't think many of us know this, okay, but there are more than 200 islands on Maldives. There are more than 200 islands on Maldives, and yeah, yesterday on the excursion that we had been, we had covered almost maybe 15-20 islands. There was an excursion called as island hopping, okay, from one island to another island. You just take us with the speedboat and just go with it. Everything about this place is so good. Everything. That's the view over there. This is the infinity pool beach. That's a freaking yacht over there. There. Yachts. People who are rich. I wanna come here again one day with more money. Okay, everything is marvelous. Color of the ocean. Look at that thing over there. Like the sea walk kind of stuff. The yachts, the people, the view. View is absolutely mind-blowing. When you look at a view, after a while you get over it, right? Here you're gonna find views like that every single minute. Like every 5 minutes you see another view, you be like, whoa, you can't get over it, bro. I don't want to come back. So the time is now 8:01. I'm gonna go have some breakfast before it closes at 9:30, and then I'm gonna go shopping for my friends. I don't know what I'm gonna do next. I have to figure that out. This is called Jing Goggles. Also, we have to check out the hotel by 11 o'clock. So whatever I have to do it before 11 o'clock. I mean before 10:30. I just need to pack a few stuff and go to the lobby. I don't know when the flight is yet. I have to check the tickets for that. I will be leaving today, unfortunately. Okay, let's see what's for breakfast today. Bread, brown bread, all these kinds of bread, butter, jam, and all those stuff. Maple syrup, some fruits. Grilled chicken sausage, pancake, oatmeal, scrambled eggs, baked beans, chana masala, roshi. Roshi means rumali roti in India, okay? All this salads kind of stuff. Pineapple juice, compulsorily. They love their pineapple juice. Water, milk, and chocos and Kellogg's. I'll eat roshi and chana masala because I don't like anything else. There's a toaster over here too. That is so self-service and so efficient. I keep talking and people keep looking at me. Breakfast done. So the time is now 8:57 and I'm out here to take some cinematic shots if possible. I don't know. But yeah, there's also a couple shoots going on. Not my concern. I'll go to the gift shop in a while. I just finished packing most of the stuff. I had to take some cinematic shots. I did some photo shoot over there. I got a bad sunburn all over my body and my face as well. Yeah, I was gonna go to the gift shop, but he wanted to join me, so I'm gonna wait for him, and thought instead of waiting, let's just pack it up and finish things up. So yeah, I just packed all of my electronics and stuff. So yeah, no soap. That's it. We'll go down now. I don't know if you can hear this, but there's a silent hint of Elise piano playing up. It's pretty awesome. Heading out of the gift shop. Enough waiting. It's already, what, 9:50? Yeah, so I'm gonna put a link down in the description about the details of this hotel because it's one of the most affordable ones out there. If you're students or if you just want a trip in a very considerate budget, this hotel can do it. Plus the excursion is pretty affordable as well. The excursion means the snorkeling, the dolphin swimming, every one of those. It's a pretty good hotel. It's a pretty good hotel and the food is kind of considerately nice. The streets of Maldives. Okay, I didn't know there was a restaurant here. For something. We have all these packages, snorkeling packages. We had been there, picnic and sandbank trips. That is where we had our lunch. Candlelight dinners, yeah, I did see this last night. Resort visits, which is, more expensive resorts that you can't visit. They'll just take you there to click pictures and all those stuff. That is nice. It's so funny how you can give money to some budget resort and they'll take you to a more expensive one just to click pictures. I think this is a gift shop. I'll just check it out. Okay. Nice. The shells over here. This wooden thingy with paintings on it. Yeah, I wanted one of these for my room. Yeah, some postal pictures and basic gift shop stuff. Those are all really pretty, man. These t-shirts which says Maldives. I think these are all women, bro. Bad wala. Yeah, I wanted one of these for all of my friends. Let's see which is a good one. What are these?
This is a coral, planted corals.
Planted corals.
It's not from the sea, don't worry. We planted it separately in the sands. You can get shells, that local thing, Titan shell. These are unique. Now going shells from deep water, no water.
Okay.
It's very light. From this one they make plate shells in here. When you visit a local island, you will see some restaurants. They will serve you a kind of this kind of. You can hear the sea sounds from the sea. You hear the.
Yeah, I hear that white noise. What and all they have, bro? Look at the size of this. How do people even carry these? Yeah, if you're rich enough, anybody can buy anything. Then I think I'm still gonna regret that I couldn't explore the whole thing in Maldives, but yeah, it's just one of the reasons why I should come here again. I got these for my friends, 15 of these, all done and packed. But let's go back to the room. I have to put these in the bag as well. Yeah, I don't know what else to do. Roam around a bit. I'm not gonna make a vlog out of it because I've made enough vlog about the whole resort and all those thingies. I'm just gonna have some me time and I'm gonna restart the vlog once I just pack up, get freshened up again and change before I head to the airport. At first when you come to Maldives or any other international vacation, you don't know a lot of stuff about different countries, right? You get scared at some point that you don't know what you're doing and people are making a fool out of you. I was seriously scared of getting mugged twice the first day I came here, but yeah, now it's like pretty simple. Everywhere you go, it's just people and you just have to talk to them, communicate with them, and it's such a different and a very wonderful experience to say it all together. I'm enjoying my almost final moments of this vacations by just sitting on my balcony and looking at the view. Like, just look at this view. It's gorgeous. I don't want to go to any other place to do that. I just want to sit in my room for that sake. But yeah, the activities were all the bomb. If you haven't watched the activities, it's in the previous vlog. You can just check it out. This is just nice. Like, it seems simple now. All you have to do is book a flight ticket and book the hotel room, and yeah, due to some COVID restrictions, you just have to fill out some forms. I'll just put the link to all of the forms in the description down below. If you're not planning to come with the tours and travelers package, like us. But the thing is, the most easiest way to come here is through a tours and travels kind of way, because they know what they're doing, they know what's cheaper, and they know what's in the budget, and they'll help you enjoy it to the most. If you're traveling for the first time in a different country, if you're traveling in your own country, no need, bro. If you're traveling to a different country, it's nice to have a helping guide if you're coming for the first time. Yeah, all in all, it's just, I'm gonna miss Maldives, man. I know I shouldn't have bought a hoodie, but just look at the airport look. Just blue hoodie, white shorts. I'm gonna change the shoes in the airport because I don't want to ruin it until then. We'll leave now.